Hi everybody, welcome back to the TechSupper channel. In this video, we are going to focus on a very important use case, which is like date conversion, one format to another. But that date is in the string form. So you need to convert that string date into a different format. So before I proceed further, I will request everybody to subscribe to my channel and click on a bell icon to get regular update. Now let us consider a use case. So let us consider you have a SFTP location and you have a file. In that file, you have a information of an employee which contains the first name, last name, and date of birth. The date of birth is in the format like YY/MM/TT. On the target side, you have a database which contains a table with 3 columns: first name, last name, and DOB. First name, last name obviously will be of varchar type. However, DOB will be of date and type. So while you process the file data to the target database, first name, last name can be mapped very easily. But when you will try to send that date into this DOB field, your integration may get fail because that date require a particular format. You may face this error like could not convert date exception, unable to convert a string value in the XML to a java.sql.date, and it is a generic error and common error. Usually people will face this and they will not know how to change this now because we don't have a standard function which can do this string date conversion into a different format. So we may need to do some substring here. So here you like the input value must be in the ISO 860 date format like YYYYY hyphen MM hyphen TD. So it can be another format too. Like it can be like 26 hyphen 02 hyphen YYYYY. But you need to convert into this particular format. Then only your database is going to accept. Now let us look at how this can be achieved in integration. So for that, what I'm going to do, I am going to create a app driven orchestration. Let us say we have date conversion. Let's say string date conversion, that will be meaningful. And let us say create. So here I'm going to create a REST, use the REST connection. Let's say conversion and click on the next button and let's say convert. And I will use the verb get and add and review parameter for this endpoint, and will take the source format and will push the and will send the target format as a response. So let's say date and let us say it's a string. Next, and let us say JSON and let us say inline. Let's say date converted, or let's say converted date. Okay. Next and finish. Now here in the mapper, I'm not going to show you the complete use case, which will read the file and will push the data into the database. So I'm just focusing on the conversion. So here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the stringify here, meaning not a stringify. I'm going to do, I will substring the date and will bring it in a required format. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to use the concat function because it's going to concatenate multiple string. And then under this, I'm going to use the substring function. Substring function is nothing, it will allow me to do to break my date. So I will use the date here. And then I'm going to put, for example, it is like 219 slash, I'm just giving an example, 219, let's say 09/31. So what I need to do, I need to take these 4 characters. So I'll start from 1. So take 1 till 4. So start from first index and take 4. fine, and then do this, and then put this hyphen because I need the hyphen, and then again use the same substring function, and then use the same. And now after this, what I need to do, I need to change this index. And then I need to take this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will start from 6 and we'll take next two characters, sorry, 6, and we'll take next two characters. Okay. And then again, do one more and then comma, and then you can again copy the same and then put it here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9, and then take two characters. That's it. So your expression is ready now. I can save this and it should be corrected. Okay, there's some issue. Mapping for target is not valid. No worries. I can quickly check this. Okay, that is fine. Date, that is fine. Looks like everything is correct. What happens? Let me check it out. Okay, looks like there are some issues. Let me do this thing. Let me see if this is correct or not. Concat, okay. All right. What is, so let me first of all do this. Yeah, that is correct. Now let me copy this and then paste it here, comma. That's fine, but I need to change it like how? Was telling 2019 like slash 1/28. So 1 to 4 and then 4, 5, 6 to 2. 6 to 2. Okay. Then let me check. Okay. Let me again copy the same till here and then put it here like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. That will be 9. 9. And I don't need it. Okay, let me remove this and let us check now. Okay, now this is fine. So let me again explain this. So what I did, I just using the concat function on that converted date because I'm cutting down my date into multiple string. That's the reason I'm concatenating it and I need to use hyphen. So first of all, I'm taking the string from first and take the 4 characters of it and then concatenate hyphen and then again taking the characters value from 6 position and need 2. Similarly, taking the next character from the 9th position and 2 characters and then doing the concatenation. That's it. And now let me try to activate this integration after enabling the tracking parameter here. Enable a tracking parameter, date, and then save your integration. Save it and then close it. Now you can simply activate your integration. Now let us activate this integration. Enable tracing, include payload, and then activate it. Now the integration has been activated. Let me test this integration now. Now let's use this 1902 and then let us say 30. And sorry, let me say it's like 3. You can see 2019 03 and 30. You can convert another format as well. And then test. That's it. So very simple. You are able to convert your one format to another. You just need to play with this string, substring it, and then concatenate it. That's it. So guys, that's all about this. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on a bell icon to get regular updates. You can follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. Thank you. Bye-bye.